Cleaning businesses are booming amid the pandemic as the need to sanitize homes and businesses is a big priority right now. Alexandria Huff spoke with a family of frontline germ fighters about how their business is thriving during the crisis.
People think that the cleaners are at the bottom. I explained to them that we're at the top because this place couldn't run if it wasn't clean.
The Middletons are a family on the front line.
We were ready even before things got bad.
16 years ago, Nadine and her husband bought an Anago cleaning franchise to operate on the main line. In that time, they worked hard, were able to put their kids through college, and two came back to help run it.
We're constantly growing. We have people asking us to work every day. I mean, we could use more employees, I should say that, but right now we're at 15.
While other industries have had to cut back, COVID-19 has only increased the demand for trained cleaning staff, especially in corporate settings. It has also piqued interest in those now wanting to get involved in the profession.
It's not about getting a franchise and buying a job. It's about being an entrepreneur and wanting to make a difference.
We have to be tested on OSHA, bloodborne pathogens. It's a whole new world out there. It's just not we don't even say janitor. We say environmental services.
These days, Nadine's entire family is working double time to disinfect. Yes, everyone you see here, they're all part of the Middleton family, proud to be the front line.
I think the respect level for the cleaning industry and the cleaning service professionals probably has changed forever.
In Bryn Mawr, Alexandria Huff, CBS 3 Eyewitness News.